All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their spray window squeegee cleaner. This is perfect for high to reach or hard to reach windows. So make your life easier, suitable for windows, mirrors, car washing, and bathrooms. Just their logo there. Again, thanks to them. Their logo there as well. Their logo there. Yeah, that's it around the box. Let's cut this seal and open it up. All right, and so inside of here, oh, look at all this, nice. Just gonna try to slide it all out. So that's it for the box. So it looks like it comes with a couple of different washable, reusable heads. So that one, and then there's an extra one, and then a smaller one. Little plastic piece, and then an extra cleaner. Very nice. And then this is the unique part of it. You're able to attach your squeegee to the front, and then with this little bottle here, you can put window cleaner in it. You can put your window cleaner in, put your bottle in tight, and then when you press this button, you get window cleaner out of this hole to help you with cleaning. Then of course, these are the squeegees. You get a, just like with the cleaners, you get a shorter one and then a slightly longer one. So then outside of that, we have the little extension handle that's branded as well. And then four more poles to make this as long as you absolutely need to reach whatever window you may need to reach. And of course, a full instruction guide telling you how to put everything together, how it all works, etc. No complaints there at all. So this is everything that would come inside of the spray window squeegee cleaner. Thanks again to this company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next unboxing. Deuces.